Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. Yes, we have a lot of fun using machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on MTCNN such as Python face classification and dataset, Python dataset, a lot of videos on dataset. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. It is all about face dataset with names, face dataset with detection of the face. It is about extension of previous video, name with dataset with the names as the output label to each detected faces. So let us see in detail. First part, importing required libraries needed for the program. Then next method, extract face. It is used for extract a single face from given photograph. The next statement, image is equal to image dot open. It is used for load image from file. Image is equal to image dot convert. Convert the image into RGB if needed. The next statement, pixel is equal to as array, convert to array. Next statement, detector is equal to MTCNN. Create a default detector with default weight. Next statement, result is equal to detector dot detect face in image. The next statement, x1 comma y1 comma width height result box. It is used for to extract the bounding box. We need to display images in box on matplotlib. Then next statement, face is equal to pixels square bracket y1 colon y2 then comma x1. It is used for extract the face. Then next statement, method load faces. It is used for load images and extract face from all images in the directory. The next statement, next method, load underscore dataset. It is used for load a dataset that contain a subdirectories for each class that in turn contain the images. Then next method, load the train dataset, and the next method, load the test dataset. So, and said compress file. Now I will execute the program. We'll go through exam program once again repeated. Yes. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Please be patient. It will take some time to load the data set with face detection. Please be patient. Now it is name is coming. You can watch class and name is coming. Here we can see there's a data set with face detection. Here now we will see. Yes, name is coming, class label and name. Now we will see. It will take some time. Yes, name is coming. Yes, name is coming. Wait, please wait. Please be patient for some time. Yes, name is coming. Yes, we have seen a lot of videos on dataset using Python in machine learning. Yes, name is coming. Yes. Yes, again name is coming. Detection, face detection. Yes. Yes. So loaded for example with class this thing. So I have successfully done with face dataset with face detection using names. I will be back with more videos on Python, AngularJS, React.js, Node.js, C++. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I have spent a lot of time on this video. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.